My name's Toby Loveday. I'm the head gardener here at Marchmont House. Marchmont has been in existence since the 1750s. The estate in total is roughly 5,000 acres. So we have a team of 3 full-time gardeners. Their responsibilities include maintenance of all the beds and borders, the lawns, the glasshouse. There's quite a lot of topiaries now, a large amounts of hedge cutting to do. A big part of the ethos at Marchmont is nature conservation and our impact on the environment. And I think the idea has always been to try and move away from petrol powered machinery and move as much towards battery operated equipment as we possibly can. And also the idea behind Marchmont is that we have a lot of events going on and we wanted to be able to continue working regardless of the presence of our visitors. So to be able to have equipment that can work quietly and silently is really important to making what we do possible. The main driving force behind choosing Pellenc was its durability. We need something robust, something that was built to last. There's going to be a lot of use of this equipment over the next few years, and we also wanted to have something that was able to perform at a really high level, so reliability was a big part of our decision. So we purchased the equipment through Alan at Agrovista, and it was really a question of having a really good demonstration of all the equipment and looking at the different battery options, which are a really important part of the whole setup, and having something that can be as adaptable as possible. So we have a mower, a couple of strimmers, a blower, a couple of hedge cutters that we use for a wide range of tasks throughout the garden. We use the mower in particular here in the wall garden, which proves particularly effective at getting in between some of the obstacles, being very lightweight and manoeuvrable. It really helps the staff to be able to use it in a very trouble-free manner. A couple of great features are the ease at which you can adjust the height of cut, and also the variable speed are very easy to operate, particularly when working around all the various obstacles in the garden. So the strimmers have some great features. Being able to select different speeds really helps depending on the areas that you're working in. Having the option of having different heads on the strimmers, the city cut head is particularly effective in dealing with a lot of the regen and brambles and some of the more awkward things to try and control in some of the outlying parts of the garden. So the hedge cutters we use, especially on some of the finer hedges, they use a lot of the topiaries that we have. So having something that's lightweight and but still very powerful has proved to be really useful for us. The biggest benefit to us when it comes to using the Pellenc equipment has been the long battery life, the low vibration levels, and the fact that it's all very lightweight is really great for the benefit of the user. Obviously the Scottish climate doesn't lend itself particularly well to working just when the conditions are favourable, so being able to use this in all weathers is a really, really big important plus side for us. So we've been using this Pellenc equipment for the last 6 months here at Marchmont. It's been a really great addition to our equipment that we rely on to look after the gardens, and I would really recommend it to anybody if they were considering any battery powered equipment for the future.